Hello there. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss about the working style of spanning tree protocol. So currently we have a empty packet tracer. Let me bring out the switches. Three switches are there. Now let me connect with copper crossover cable. It's fast Ethernet /2, then /1 will be connected with /2, /1 will be connected with /2. Now all three switches are interconnected, and you can see within a few moments the ports will start uplinking. The two ports, one port will be in blocking state. Here we go. This is now up, and now at forwarded state. Now this is up and this is up, and you can see one port is blocked, fast Ethernet 0/1. Switch 1's fast Ethernet 0/1, and light is now still in orange color, means it's in blocking stage, it is in the ad hoc stage and replaceable. Now we have to configure that is okay, but which switch is a root switch? That's we need to know. Now let me go to CLI, enable, and now at the privilege mode we have to work down some show commands. So show command will be it's show spanning tree. Now this command will show the details of all. Now you can find out the VLAN is 01. The priority value is 32768 plus VLAN's 1. Now two options are there, two values are there, root ID and bridge ID. Root ID means which switch is a root of the network, and bridge ID means where I'm currently configuring it. You can see the bridge ID, the address is similar, means this switch 0 is a root of this entire network. The switch 0 is a root of entire network. So address is same, bridge ID is same. That means this is a bridge, this is a root of the network, and the priority value will be 32768 plus the system ID extended value, which is a VLAN 1. And you can see the forward the fast Ethernet port, both 0/1 and 0/2 in a forwarded state. Now let me go to switch 2 and find out the same. Show spanning tree. Now here is a bit different. You can see the root ID, the address is 007.ec6c d21d, but here the bridge ID is different. Address is 00b be0b e99c, means this MAC address of the this particular MAC address is of switch 2 where we are sitting currently. And very carefully you see the number MAC address. If a MAC address starting from a number, means it's the decision maker. If a MAC address starting from word, from alphabet, then it will not be qualified as root until and unless we configure that switch as a root. So this alphabet is a decision maker. The MAC address is a decision maker. Either the priority value should be less, or the priority or the address will be that decision maker. Another thing will be there that the cost. If cost is same, then if the interface cost is same, or a particular interface is of a new technology, fast Ethernet or whatever. So fast Ethernet 1, so cost is same, fast Ethernet it is, then it will down to the address, the MAC address, and MAC address showing something different. Similarly goes to switch 1, and same the switch show command. Sorry, enable show spanning tree, and here is a different story. Again, the VLAN will be 1, so priority value will be same in all switches, but the decision maker is 0030, the MAC address, and you can see here is a 7, means this switch is very close to become a secondary root, but for some reason this switch become the secondary root because of the cost or because of the manufacturer or bridge priority, extended system ID, all that. So currently we couldn't see that all are same. So this is what the show command of spanning trees, and will show you the bridge ID and root ID are very much different. Bridge ID means the ID where we are setting it at the switch having a unique MAC addresses. Every device basically have a unique MAC address, and currently switch 1 having this address, and priority will be same. And root ID, this is the of a switch who are leading in the network, so it's switch 0 which is leading, and we can configure on our own. We can select routes on our own, so it's up to you, but by default they can select themselves as a root. So we should not do anything regarding we have no work to do in spanning tree, but we can configure this priority value, and we can make a root particular via commands, but this is what we can do. But by default the spanning tree protocol will enable in the switches. So hope you learned something about the show commands and the valuations of the switches. Hope you learned something regarding spanning tree, how it works basically, and when we interconnected with each other. Thanks for watching.